Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a fantastic origami aircraft using a dollar bill. This project is perfect for a unique gift or just a fun way to spend your time. Let's get started. Take your dollar bill and fold it in half lengthwise. Make a sharp crease here, then unfold it. Next, fold the left and right edges inwards to meet the center crease. This will create a pointed shape. Now, flip the bill over and fold the bottom left and right corners up a little bit, just like this. Fold the bottom section up, aligning it carefully. Fold the left and right edges upwards to meet the center crease again, forming the body of the aircraft. Now, fold the bill in half along the center crease, then unfold it to make a guiding crease. Follow the guiding crease to fold out the wings of the aircraft as shown. Make sure the wings are even and sharp. Finally, fold the tail section as shown in the instructions, creating a clean and pointed tail for your aircraft. And there you have it, a sleek origami aircraft. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more fun origami projects. Thanks for watching, and happy folding.